Welcome to a journey towards a longer, healthier life after 60. Today, we unveil 10 essential habits. These insights are backed by extensive US studies, offering a roadmap to enhance your well-being and extend your lifespan. Our first habit is regular physical activity. Staying active is crucial for maintaining vitality as we age. Engage in moderate exercise like brisk walking, swimming, or light yoga. It significantly reduces chronic disease risks. Even gardening counts. These activities improve mobility and overall physical health, keeping you agile. Next, embrace balanced nutrition. Fueling your body with the right foods is fundamental for longevity. Prioritize a diet rich in nutrients, including whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fresh produce. Minimize processed foods. A healthy diet supports all bodily functions, from energy to immunity. Habit 3. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is often underestimated but vital for cognitive function and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. It allows your body and mind to repair and rejuvenate. Waking up refreshed sets a positive tone for your day and boosts mental clarity. Our fourth habit is stress management. Chronic stress can severely impact your health. Incorporate relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. These practices help mitigate stress, promoting a calmer mind and a healthier body. Habit 5. Social connection. Strong social ties are linked to improved mental and physical health. Engage with friends and family, and participate in community activities. Combat isolation and foster belonging. These connections provide emotional support and a sense of purpose, enriching your life. Habit 6. Lifelong learning. Keeping your brain active is essential for cognitive health and preventing decline. Learn a new skill, like playing an instrument, painting, or even mastering a new computer program. Attending classes or workshops can stimulate your mind and introduce you to new passions. Habit 7. Regular health checkups. Preventive care is paramount for managing existing conditions and catching issues early. Schedule regular screenings and follow your doctor's advice. Early detection can make a significant difference. Prioritize your health by staying proactive with medical care and vaccinations. Habit 8. Avoiding harmful substances. The negative impact of smoking and excessive alcohol consumption on longevity is well documented. Making conscious choices to avoid these substances can dramatically improve your health outcomes. Protect your body from unnecessary harm and invest in a healthier future. Habit 9. Maintaining a positive outlook. Optimism and gratitude are powerful tools for well-being and resilience. Cultivate joy and gratitude in your daily life. Focus on the good, even amidst challenges. A positive mindset can significantly impact your physical health and ability to cope. Finally, habit 10. Purpose and meaning. Having a sense of purpose contributes to a longer, more fulfilling life, whether through volunteering, mentoring, or pursuing passions. Find what gives your life meaning. Engaging in meaningful work or hobbies provide satisfaction and a reason to thrive. These 10 habits: physical activity, nutrition, sleep, stress management, social connection, lifelong learning, checkups, avoiding harmful substances, positive outlook, and purpose are your keys. Start incorporating these habits today for a healthier, longer, and more fulfilling life. Your journey to longevity begins now.